Good morning, student. Student, topic AP is continue. Exercise 5.1. Student, question 1. In which of the following situation does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? The taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. Student, this is an AP. Here, first term is rupees 15. A equal to 15 and the common difference D equal to 8. Because for each additional kilometer there is rupees 8 is the fare. So AP becomes 15, 8, 15 plus 8 is 23, plus 8 31, plus 8 39 and so on. So this form an AP. Now second part. The amount of the air present in the cylinder when the vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the remaining air in the cylinder at the time. Student, this is not an AP because the air is removing, it is 1/4 of the remaining part of the air left in the cylinder. So that is not an AP. Not it involved AP. Involved AP. Now the third part, the cost of digging a well after every meters of digging when its cost rupees 150 for first meter and rises rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. Student, this is an AP. It form an AP because here the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging when its cost rupees is for 150 for first kilometer. So here we can say first term A is 150 and the common difference D is 50. So this form an AP. So to check the given expression is an AP, we will see the first term and the common difference. Then the fourth part, amount of the money in the account every year when rupees it is 10,000 is deposit at the compound interest at 8% per annum. Student, note on this, compound interest is not form an AP, but simple interest form an AP because compound interest, that is the interest of interest, so that is not form an AP. As you know, there is a formula A equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 power n. This formula is not for AP. So, compound interest not making an AP. Simple interest that form an AP. Student, now question 2. Write first 4 terms of AP when the first term and the common difference are given as follows. First part, here A equal to 10, D is also 10 and you have to write first 4 terms. So here is a 10, 10. Next term will be, it is first term, next is A plus D, which is 10 plus 10 is 20. Then next A plus 2D, which is 10 plus 2 into 10. It is 10 plus 20 or it is 30. And next term a plus 3d, it is 10 plus 3 into 10. So it is 10 plus 30, which is 40. Then next term a plus 4d, it is 10 plus 4 into 10. So it is 10 plus 40 is 50. So these are the next 4 terms of an AP. Student, in the second part is very simple. Here a equal to minus 2, b equal to 0. Since common difference is 0, so all the term becomes minus 2. This is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, and so on. Because d is 0, so all the term becomes a. Then third, fourth, fifth part, they are very simple. I hope you can try the rest part yourself. Student, now question 3. For the following AP, write the first term and the common difference. So it's very simple. Here AP is given. It is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, and so on. The first term a equal to 3 and common difference d equal to second term a2 minus a1. Second term is 1, first term is 3, so it is 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So common difference is minus 2 here. Common difference is minus 2. Now the second part. In the second part, AP is minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7, and so on. Student, very simple. First term is minus 5. Now common difference D is A2 minus A1. Here it is minus 1 minus minus 5. Since minus minus plus, so it is minus 1 plus 5, or it is 4. So common difference is 4 here. If we write the next term, then next term will be 11, then 15, then 19, and so on. Student, rest part you will try yourself. Now question number 4. Question number 4, first part. Here, which of the following are AP? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. Student, see, first it is 2, 4, 8, 16. Student, if we talk about the common difference, that is not same. Here, D, it is 4 minus 2, which is 2. Then, second term minus first term, then D. A3 minus A2, it is 8 minus 4, which is 4, not equal. Since A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. Not equal. So, given sequence is not an AP. It is not an AP. This sequence is not an AP. Now the next. Next is second part, that is 2, 5 by 2 minus then 3 plus 3, then 7 by 2, and so on. Here let us check the difference. A2 minus A1, which is 5 by 2 minus 2, so it is 1 by 2. Then A3 minus A2, it is 3 minus 5 by 2, 3 2 is 6. 6 minus 5, 1 by 2. This sequence is an AP. Here difference is 1 by 2 here. Now, write down the 3 more terms. So, next term 1, 2, 3, 4. A5, fifth term is 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Common difference D equal to 1 by 2. So it is 7 plus 1, A by 2 is 4. Then next A6 is 4 plus 1 by 2 is 9 by 2. Then A7 is 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 5. So next terms are 4, 9 by 2 and 5. Because common difference is 1 by 2, that is why if we are adding 1 by 2 to getting the next terms. So student, A5 is 4, A6 9 by 2 and A7 is 5. It is A1, A2, A3, A4. So this sequence having these 3 more terms.